Hey, Ben. Today we're going to be counting through chart number 6 for eighth notes. Now, you have learned that the eighth note you've really been doing all along because that is either the down or the up of your foot, but not both. It only gets a down or an up. And you can see here that these eighth notes are linked together by a beam at the bottom so that they are identifying one beat. So here, these two eighth notes are count 1. These two eighth notes are count 2. This is count 3, and these two eighth notes are count 4. So you can think of your foot as going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And remember, anytime that our foot goes down, we're going to say a number. And when our foot comes up, we will say te, T-E, te. So I'm going to look at this measure number 2 real quick before we count through this whole line. So if my foot is tapping down, up, I would say 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. Let's do that again, slow, ready, and tap your foot. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. So when I start the met here in a second, it's going to go a little bit faster than that. And notice at the beginning, we have our C, meaning common time. So we are counting in 4/4. Sit tall and down, up, down, up, ready, and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. Now, when we are clapping these eighth notes, our hands are going to be doing the same thing that our foot is doing. So my foot is going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So my hands also are imitating the same motion of my foot. So when I'm clapping the eighth notes, since they're not quarter notes, I'm not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'll have 2 claps. 1 on the down and 1 on the up. So it'll look like this. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. So let's start at the beginning of this line. Down, up, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. Let's do that line again. Down, up, ready, measure 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 4 te. Now, you may have noticed that when we've been counting quarter notes and our other notes, we've been saying 1, 2. So you've really been counting these eighth notes all along because that's what our voice is doing also. It's going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on down the page. And we're going to go to line number 4. And in line 4, I have some eighth notes on count 1. So I have 1 te, then regular quarter notes, 2, 3, 4. And each one of these measures is the same. So we're beginning with 1 te. Let's count this one. Here we go. Down, up, ready, and count. 1 te, 2, 3, 4. 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 Now, even though each one of these measures is the same, make sure your eye is tracking across the page as you go down the line. Next line we're going to count is going to be line number 7. So in line 7, we have quarter notes except for on count 4. So this will be forte, down, up. Each one of these measures is identical. Here we go. Sit on the edge of your seat. Tap your foot. Down, up, ready, and count. 1, 2, 3, forte. 1, 2, 3, forte. 1, 2, 3, forte. 1, 2, 3, forte. Thanks for counting with us today. We'll see you next time.